Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be making broccoli bean soup, and for this I would be using the broccoli stem, uh, beans, and some bell pepper. I will be using a mix of the green and red bell pepper. Feel free to use any type of beans you like for this recipe. In this video, I will be using the kidney beans, and I have the kidney beans cooked from the start myself. And in this video, I will be using light spice, black pepper, chili pepper, salt, and garlic. Also, while making this, you can decide to use a thickener or not. In this video, I made use of a thickener. All I did was dissolve corn flour in water and add. And that is it for today's video. See you some other time.